Alrighty then, another day, another dime. There it is, passive solar hot water heater, hooked up, heating up. Once it gets a few sunny days on it and gets up to temperature, I'll switch to using it full time. The thing is, I could have done this a couple months ago, but I screwed up. When I first put this in there and hooked it up, when I put pressure to it, water was pouring out this side and down here. I assumed it was coming from the valve there, so I replaced that valve and tried it again. It was still pouring out there. So I again assumed that the guy I bought it from just lied to me when he said it had no leaks. So I bought a new one, broke it down, painted it to look like this one. And as I was taking this one out, I noticed that I had messed up. See that lower pinch valve? Somehow, when I was pinching it down, it had slipped down there, and I did not notice. So it was not sealed. And it turns out the water was coming out there, running down and off there. So I pinched it down, filled it up, and lo and behold, it held water. No leaks. The guy did not lie to me. So, check your work. Make sure you're doing it right first time. Like I said, this is passive solar hot water heater. Yeah, you're getting kind of a look at my face, or fat old body. It is in a sealed, insulated box with a glass on this side. Sun shines in, heats the water tank, and it being sealed up like this magnifies the heat. Kind of like when your car gets really hot in the summer. Back here on the back is the rocket stove and the tools I was using to work on the rocket stove, because there was a little bit of a leak there. Had to tighten it down. It comes out from there. There's a drain valve I put on. Comes up into the rocket stove. There's copper tubing wrapped around the rocket stove, round and round and round. Comes out here, feeds back into the tank. Then it will come out there, down, and go into the cabin. I finally discovered these quick connects for the PEX stuff, because I was having to cut, and every time I tried it, I was having to cut the PEX out and redo it, and it kept getting shorter and shorter. I had to splice. It was just annoying. So I discovered those, and now I just unscrew it from there, screw that in. So keep that in mind if you're trying this kind of thing. But yeah, should be ready to go. I should have hot water from the sun very soon, with this stove to back it up. Now, I did build a little framework around it so I could put a tarp over it. I will eventually close it in with wood to put a heat lamp in here for next winter when it freezes again. So this project is almost done. As soon as I hook it back up, no more electric hot water heater. Alrighty then, thanks for watching, and y'all have fun.